Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we're going to be talking about Cciv, as I've got some important things I want to share with you. So if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me. I can't believe it. I want to see if we can hit 1,000 subscribers today or tonight or while I'm asleep, because I live in the UK, so if you're an American audience or if you're American or wherever in the world, let's see if we can hit 1,000 subscribers. I kind of rambled on then, but anyway, let's get into this video. But also please hit that like button if you did enjoy this video or found it helpful. Right, so we are sitting at the $53 mark roughly after close, and I've got 69 shares in it. We are up 1,177, so we're up not as much as we were before, but we're up incredible amounts. So either way, I'm really happy with how it is going. But I think before we were up 1,500 or something like that before all of this craziness happened in the market. So I thought I'll update you guys on what happened with my shares, and yeah, so that's that. This is more of a let's talk about Lucid Motors and Cciv. What has actually happened? Something stupid and crazy actually happened in the last hour of trading on Friday, as all of you probably know, and if you hold Cciv. It was a bit of a crazy one in the Discord as well, I have to say. A few of us going, what's going on kind of thing. And yeah, so pretty much a big institution, I think, or a big whale, as you call them, pretty much sold a hell of a lot of shares. I think it was 813,000 shares or something crazy like that. And this is one thing I was always a bit wary about and scared about, in the fact of having a stop loss, because I've seen it, especially back in when it was trading about $20 range. This happened before, where they just dropped the price and wiped out people's stop losses and getting their cheap shares. And this is something that some of you guys that watch my video, actually that happened to you guys, which I'm gutted about, because it's not nice at the end of the day, is it? But that's the whole game. That's the whole game of the stock market, really, and especially something like this, especially one of the most popular SPACs that's ever been on the market. So that's kind of why I haven't actually set a stop loss, because to be honest with you, I believe this is actually going to happen, this merge, and I'm going to get into that later on in the video. So yeah, I think this is going to merge. And I did have a look at Twitter. As we all know, Alex Cutler is amazing at what he does. The research he provides is crazy, and I was straight on that once this happened. And he had a look, and there's nothing bad has happened. It's just a massive institution, it looks like, that's just dropped the price dramatically, and it's meant that they've wiped out a whole load of people's stop losses, the retail traders, you could say, the retail investors. So that was $41.5 million worth that they sold, and like we said, it just wiped out people's stop losses, and it is just crazy what actually happened there. It obviously got brought up straight away, as it did happen, and in my opinion, and this is where I want you guys to leave in the comments, because obviously this is just my opinion and what I think, but could this be a good sign and the merger announces on the Monday? Because what they're doing is they're trying to wipe out people's stop losses and get cheap shares. Well, yeah, buy some cheap shares, and that's what I was thinking. I don't know if I'm right or wrong there, so I would like you guys to leave in the comments for me to see what you guys think about that. So that leads me on to the next question: are we going to be getting an announcement, and when are we? So as you can see on the screen right now, Lucid Motors in the top left corner, you can see that the action type is acquisition, and the summary is proposed acquirer Churchill Capital Corp, IV. So it's just annoying, because we've got so many different things showing that this is so possible and this is going to be happening. It's just they're not announcing it. And normally I've seen that SPACs have taken 17 odd days, 20 odd days, 31 days or 30 days. We're on, like, what day are we on now? Like 36 or so. I don't know off the top of my head, but something around that. So we are super close. And like I said, this is one of the most popular SPACs that has ever been on the market, and Lucid Motors is such an incredible company. I know they haven't sold any or delivered any cars at the moment, but they've got the biggest potential to be an amazing company. It is valued at 12 billion, so we are obviously trading way above the valuation. But that is just because of hype. That is due to hype. That's what happens in the EV market and the EV space. So I think it could be on the Monday we get the announcement. And why do I think that? Well, Merger Monday, that's like one of the most popular things, and that's when companies tend to merge on a Monday. As you can see on the screen, what is Merger Monday? Merger Monday refers to the practice by companies of announcing major mergers and acquisitions on a Monday. The involved parties finalise the details of the deal over the weekend and make the announcement first thing on Monday morning. The goal is, of course, to pass on the information about the joining of 2 or more companies, but the intent is to help drive the stock prices of said companies up with the announcement. So there we go. Is it going to be happening on the Monday? Or do you guys not believe in this merge anymore? Are you selling? Did you sell? Or did you get wiped out by stop losses? I do want to know in the comments below. And remember, I'm on this journey with you guys too. Like, that's what's so exciting about this channel. I just update you guys on my stocks, my opinions, where I'm thinking, what I'm thinking. And yeah, if you like the sound of that or enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe button. It means the world. Hopefully we can hit 1,000 subscribers. That'd be incredible. And give the video a like. I do a weekly portfolio update, so that will be out Sunday, guys. So keep an eye out for that. That was just a little video to update you guys on my thoughts and what has been happening with this CCIV, because a lot of people were asking what actually did happen. And yeah, I thought I'll show you guys this information.